This is how you can create secrets for your Streamlit or Python project. First, let's see using .env method that's applicable to all Python projects, and for that we need to install .env. So do pip install .env and hit enter. Then we need to import from .env import load.env, and we need to import os and then load.env. Now you can access your secrets from .env file, which we will create here in the same directory, and here give some variable name for your secret. Let's say key, which is going to be this. Save it, and now to access the key here we will use os.getEnv method and pass the key name here. So the key name is key, and if I run it, then you can see the key is printed here. Now if you want to do it all in Streamlit, then we can do that also. Import Streamlit as st, then st.secrets, and the key name, which is going to be key print. And to use this st.secrets, we need to create a folder .streamlit, where we have to create a secrets.toml file and pass our key here. So key is the variable name, and I'm going to give this value. Save it, and now if I save and run it, then you can see that our value is printed here. And if you want to deploy your website on, let's say, render or any other service, then you can simply pass your key directly here in the environments and paste it value. Let's say here 1 2 3. Save it, or if you have a file like I have this one secrets.toml for this project, then I'll just enter the file name and inside the content paste your secrets.toml file as it is, and then save it.